I didn't realize how much my money story was shaped by my relationship story. Coach Gerald Mathis opened my eyes to the patterns I was living in and how healing my heart helped heal my finances. See, there is a link between love, self worth, and money. Money and relationships are deeply connected. When one is out of balance, the others often suffer. Here's how emotional trauma was affecting my finances. See, I gave too much in relationships, hoping to be accepted. I was afraid to charge what I was worth because I didn't feel worthy. I stayed in relationships that drained me financially and emotionally. I didn't set boundaries because I confused love with sacrifice. I bought peace with gifts, money, and overgiving. Coach Gerald helped me trace my people pleasing to early trauma. He showed me that wealth requires emotional maturity. I stopped asking, is this love or is this a transaction? I stopped funding dysfunction and I started investing in peace. See, Proverbs 4 and 23, it says, above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. This includes how you earn, save, spend, and share. See, here's a few lessons from the trauma informed girl. The trauma informed girl didn't know she was valuable. So she kept giving everything away, including her time, her talent, and her truth. I confused brokenness with bonding. But once I started healing, I started choosing differently. Coach Gerald taught me your relationships are either building your legacy or blocking your breakthrough. My goodness. Our spiritual reflection comes from 1 Corinthians 13 and 4, which says, love is patient, love is kind, it doesn't envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, and always preserves. Love never fails. Remember, love is not self seeking, it keeps no record of wrongs. Healthy love is not manipulative, it does not drain you, it develops you. God is not just concerned about your money, He's concerned about who's connected to your mission. Because misaligned relationships can cost you more than money, they can cost you momentum. Our call to action today, I ask that you write in your journal what emotional patterns have shaped how I relate to money. Am I making financial decisions from fear, from guilt, or self worth? If you're ready to heal from relationship trauma and walk in wholeness, consider trauma informed coaching or join the Kingdom Wealth Vault education where we recover in all areas of life, including our relationships. Because healed people handle wealth differently. So today I encourage you, you don't have to stay in patterns that break your spirit. You are worth love that lifts and not limits. We are recovering one breath at a time. Give yourself grace and stay fearless. Bye for now.